Let's talk about making leaks. We're going to start off by dropping in a starburst node into our graph. From here, adjust the parameters until you get something that feels a bit more random. Here I'm playing around with the different parameters to get some variation in the branches. I want them to be different lengths and sizes. Next up, let's connect our starburst into a polar to Cartesian grayscale. This is going to give us our leak shapes. It's looking a bit too perfect right now, so let's run it through a slope blur grayscale, plugging in a clouds 2 for our slope input. I'm setting the samples high, the intensity around 0.5, and mode to min. I'll change the output size of my clouds to something low so I can get a bit more directionality from the slope blur. Let's take our slope blur result and run it through levels. Here I'm looking to clamp the white values just a bit to get more form in the overall shapes. Lastly, I will take any one of my favorite grunge maps and blend it on a subtract. I recommend you using a grunge that already has some vertical directionality like Grunge 02. As you can see, we now have some nice vertical leaks that we can utilize across any one of our materials. You can now go back to the beginning of the graph, play with the parameters of the starburst, and get the perfect result every